Alright, so today we're going to be working on the Z, and the Z has had a tan interior since I bought the car, and I've wanted to switch it to black for a long time. If you guys saw a video that we made a month or two ago, we found a Z in the wrecking yard that had a black interior, a nice black tweed interior, and we pulled just about everything we could out of that car, and so today I'm going to be swapping it all into the Z. So should be fun. It's pretty hot out today, so gonna be slow. Alright, so it's been a bit, but I got most of the back portion out. I'm gonna work on the center console and the dashboard now. This dash is black, but it's been sprayed black. You can see the difference between the door panel and the dash right here. This door panel is a little bit more of like a charcoal, and this is like, that's black. It's probably been another hour. Here's my pile of stuff that I have out of the car. The dash is about ready to come out, so I'll set you guys up and we'll try to get that thing out. All right, there's the dash. Dashboard. Isn't that sweet? Someone close to Portland needs any tan Z parts, carpet, center console, let me know, because I got it and don't need it, so you can come get it. Got black carpet. That's good. Dashboard's in-ish. It needs adjustment clearly, but it'll be in shortly.
So here's what the tweed ought to look like, and then here's what the center console looks like. It's pretty nasty, so we're going to use a carpet cleaner to get that looking better. In addition to getting this stuff all cleaned up, we got some pieces that were formerly the tan painted black. This is a painted piece and that is an original piece. The color's a little bit lighter than these are. But all in all, looking all right. Things are shaping up. Starting to look real nice.
Alright, the dash is part way in. Samsquanch cleaned a bunch of parts for me. We spent probably an hour trying to get a stuck screw out of the headliner. The last screw we went to take out. But it's finally out, so I'm going to take the headliner out and Samsquanch is going to paint it with some interior vinyl spray paint stuff.
Okay, this is garbage. So we're painting this thing, and that probably makes a lot of you guys wince, but if you do it right, it works pretty well. Adhesion promoter, and then get something that's made for the purpose. They tend to work better. This is not my favorite kind, but it works okay. SEM makes some stuff that I've had better luck with, but this is fine. So yeah, everything's going to be black after this, and that'll be cool.
Got the headliner sitting, drying. It's actually came out really nice. It's gonna get a little bit more satin as it dries, but yeah, should look pretty good in the car. Alright, so A good portion of the interior is put together. It looks super nice compared to the tan. I love the black carpet. I've got a parcel shelf in there. Samsquanch made me get some new speakers. They sound much nicer. They actually work now, which is sick.
How can you couldn't really do worse than that.
Yeah.
That's all that bass.
Yeah,
That's
bro.
all the sound.
But got new speakers in. They were a little small, so Samsquanch made these nice little wooden pieces.
It had the Bose system in it, so it's got these tuned boxes in it, and now they're not tuned for that size of speaker exactly, but the whole thing was proprietary. I don't know where you'd ever get the speaker, so this is all right.
Yeah.
Squanch team.
Alrighty, guys. I'm gonna call this video here. It's been a while since we filmed all that stuff that you guys just watched. We've gone to multiple drift events, and this is how the interior has stayed. The tweed is so sick, and the black carpet with the white car is just perfect. I love it. The dash is disgusting right now. It's got drift events all over it. Yeah, Villains was dusty. The rear interior pieces still aren't in because we're working on fixing that rear quarter panel. You can see some of the outside right there. I don't have a tweed driver's seat, and I still haven't installed the bucket seat, so I've been using the tan one. The tan one works fine. It's really comfortable and it holds you in pretty good, so I'm not mad about it. But I am looking forward to getting my bucket seat installed. I have almost everything to do that. I just need to make some mounts. In the next Z video, we'll be working on the rear quarter panel and the rocker panel, trying to get everything straight and hopefully painted, maybe painted. Probably not painted in the next video, but painted soon. Because we have a couple of big events coming up in September that we're all really excited about, and I think it would be really sick if the Z was all like one color, because it's never really been all one color. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like, comment, and if you're not already, subscribe to the channel, because that helps. We're working on a lot of stuff right now, and we have a ton of drift events coming up. Stuff's just been really crazy, so I apologize for like the few big gaps there's been in between videos. It's just been wild, and yeah, sorry. I'll do better. I'll keep uploads more consistent. Sorry, guys.